I'm going to show you how to define depreciation areas in the asset class in SAP S/4HANA. My name is Nuno Dias, and I've been working with SAP since 2001 with my main focus in finance area. I work as an SAP FICO contractor. In case you want to reach me out for projects, please find my LinkedIn ID in the description of this video. If you are just reaching to this channel, its name is SAP at a Glance, and the aim is to share SAP knowledge. Here in this channel, we are doing a full lifecycle implementation series based in finance and controlling. So please don't forget, subscribe this channel to receive fresh new videos on a weekly basis. While doing the videos for this channel, I'm building a document that will become a PDF how to navigate in the SAP at a Glance YouTube channel. If you would like to receive this file, that would be very useful for you, please connect to my LinkedIn and send me a message. I want the SAP at a Glance PDF file and of course your email. Once it's done, I will send it to you and for all of you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to define the depreciation areas in the asset class, which means that when the user is creating the asset, the master data, is going to choose what is the asset class. So behind, everything is going to be there for the calculation of the depreciation. And now, without any further ado, let's go and see how to make this simple step in the system. Now we are in the SAP IMG menu. So transaction code ORFA, asset accounting, of course. And then what we do, general valuation, and then we determine depreciation areas in asset class. Let's give some examples and do the magic. Normally, you have created your asset class for your client, right? Or if you copied this from something else, the asset class is created. So what I'm going to show you is this. Here in the depreciation areas, when we create, this will become populated. Okay, this is a training system, so this is messed up. But if I go for the 6360, okay, the company code is this one. I don't have any asset created. But if I go for this one, just for an explanation, choosing this one, and then depreciation areas, I would have this by default, okay? These are coming from my chart of accounts, and this coming from the copy. So if I go inside of it, clicking there, this is the depreciation key. If you do remember in the previous video, if you watch the previous video, we have created some depreciation keys for us. So this is here. Also, I'm going to put the useful life for 6 years. This is here how we make the changes to have this tab here populated by default with a depreciation key and useful life when we create the asset. So basically what I'm going to do is, if you see, this has already updated automatically because the 15 and 31, they read from this one. And of course, I can have depreciation keys for different ledgers, but I'm going to put for all, okay, the same. And then 6 years. Okay, so it's just to save, it is done. Now the screen layout. This is something that I wanted to show you where to see this. Normally I don't touch on this topic. I'm going to open another window just to show you the screen layout. If you are enjoying this video as me doing for you, make a like to us. So let's go. Transaction code ORFA. And then in the transaction code ORFA, we have the master data, and then screen layouts, and then we have a video showing how to do the screen layout for assets master data. I haven't done for this one because I never changed this one. I get always the default, but I want to show you what is this about. So basically it's the same thing. The screen layout, depreciation assets at number level, it should be 1,000. So in this case, should put here 1,000. I'm not going to work with sub numbers, okay? 1,000. I'm going to save, and then I want to show it to you. So basically field groups, it is the same as the other video. This will detect which fields are going to be required and which ones are mandatory. I never touched on this one. I always accept this, what is coming by default of SAP for this case. If you feel that this video is being very helpful for you, please make that in the comments. Coming back again, we have done our changes for this asset class, and of course, you need to go one by one for the ones that your client is going to be used. So you need to go and review what is there, and if nothing is there, you need to. This will be there, of course, because it's part of the chart of depreciation. But if this is empty, you need to fill in with the depreciation key that you're going to use for that asset class. Now you know how to define depreciation areas in asset class in SAP S/4HANA. Many thanks for watching this video. This video is part of the full life cycle series implementation that we are doing here in this channel. You can find the next video in the description of this one. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel to receive fresh new videos on a weekly basis. See you in the next video.